Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Nazifa Ashraf Ali. Now, I will present on my final year project with the title Investigation of Polymer-Based Sensing Layer on the Performance of Quartz Crystal Microbalance QCM Gas Sensor. I'm being supervised by Dr. Rosmi Nazwin Abdul Rahim. This presentation consists of 5 parts, which are introduction, problem statement, objective, literature review, methodology, design and simulation, result and analysis, and lastly, conclusion. So, for the introduction part, the pie chart shows the source of air pollution in Malaysia. So, what is air pollution? Air pollution defined as the presence of the unwanted material such as exhaust from the mobile vehicle, open burning power station that can lead to produce negative health effect for all living organisms, especially towards human and environment. One of the examples of the air pollution is volatile organic compound VOC. So, what is VOC? VOC are organic chemicals that have a high vapor pressure at ordinary room temperature. Next, the effect of VOC gas are skin disease, cancer, headache, nervous system, and nausea. Many devices have been developed, including carbon nanotube, metal oxide semiconductor, calorimeter, optical, surface acoustic wave, gas chromatography, and quartz crystal microbalance. Next, we will proceed to problem statement. The problem statement is VOC gases in air produce negative health consequences to human and environment, and there are limitations in current gas sensor because it requires for expensive setup and complicated process. The solution that been offered to overcome this problem is using QCM polymer base. It is because QCM offers simple structure, low cost, and high sensitivity, while the polymer base offers easy synthesis and high sensitivity. Next, we will proceed to objective. There are 3 objectives of this project, which are firstly, to investigate the most significant parameter that affect the performance of the QCM gas sensor using different types of polymer. Second, to design and simulate different types of polymer sensitive layer in QCM gas sensor for various VOC gases. Lastly, to investigate the performance of the QCM gas sensor in terms of shifted resonance frequency and sensitivity. Next, we will proceed to literature review. There are 3 key parameters that is used in this project, which are firstly is resonance frequency, next frequency shift, and lastly the sensitivity. Based on this literature review, there is one paper that become my benchmark for completing this project. The reason why I choose this paper is due to the piezoelectric thickness that suitable for this study. Next, we will proceed to methodology. The research methodology start with the literature review of the QCM, and we will do the simulation before and after sensing using the COMSOL Multiphysics 5.4 software. and we will investigate the effect of sensitivity toward different type of polymer, towards thickness and radius of polymer, and also toward the different type of VOC. Then we will calculate the frequency shift and sensitivity of the QCM sensor. Next is design and simulation. The design parameter that we use is, firstly, we use quartz as the piezoelectric material, gold as the electrode, and the quartz thickness is 334 micrometer with the radius of 835 micrometer. There are the sensing element that we use are PIB, PDMS, PI, PMMA, PE, PTFE. The thickness is vary from 100 micrometer to 140 micrometer, and the radius is vary from 200 micrometer to 600 micrometer. There are 4 types of VOC gases, which are DCM, DCE, CCl4, and TCE. That will be varies. Next, we will proceed to result and analysis. The graph shows the effect of frequency shift and sensitivity towards different types of polymer. For the first graph, we can see that as the concentration of DCM gas is increased, the frequency shift of each of the polymer also increase. For the next graph, we can see that PTFE display the highest sensitive performance among all the polymers with 1.382 kHz per ppm of sensitivity. This is due to the high melting temperature in PTFE. Because PTFE has the high sensitivity, we will choose PTFE for the rest of the simulation work. The graph shows the effect of frequency shift and sensitivity toward different thickness of polymer. As we can see from the frequency shift graph, the higher the concentration of DCM gas, the higher the shifted frequency. Next, for the sensitivity graph, we can see that PTFE with a thickness of 120 micrometer has the highest sensitivity with 1.382 kHz per ppm. For this simulation, the radius of PTFE is fixed to 400 micrometer and the thickness of the PTFE will be vary. Next, the graph shows the effect of frequency shift and sensitivity toward different radius of polymer. From the frequency shift graph, we can see as the concentration of DCM gas increase, the frequency shift also increase. For the sensitivity graph, as the radius of the PTFE is increasing, the sensitivity also increase, but only until at radius 500 micrometer with 3.626 kHz per ppm. After that, it will drop at radius 600 micrometer. PTFE with a radius of 500 micrometer has the highest sensitivity. As you can see from this simulation, the thickness of PTFE is fixed at 120 micrometer and the radius of the polymer will be varied. The graph shows the effect of frequency shift and sensitivity toward different types of VOC gases. The type of VOC gases that we use in this simulation are DCM, DCE, CCl4, and TCE. The higher the concentration, the higher the density of the gas injected in the PTFE. As we can see from the frequency shift graph. The higher the concentration of gas, the higher the shifted resonant frequency. For the sensitivity graph, we can see that QCM gas sensor coated with PTFE is show excellent selectivity toward carbon tetrachloride compared to other gases with the sensitivity of 16.11 kHz ppm. Graph show the performance comparison of QCM gas sensor with and without polymer toward acetone gas. Frequency shift of QCM gas sensor with polymer is higher than QCM gas sensor without polymer. Polymer-coated QCM gas sensor show excellent performance to acetone gas compared to without polymer. So, as the conclusion, the performance of the QCM gas sensor is determined by analyzing the shifted resonant frequency and sensitivity. Next, concentration of gas, thickness, and radius of sensing layer affect the performance of the QCM gas sensor. Then, the higher sensitivity of the simulated QCM is 16.11 kHz ppm for CCl4 VOC gas as compared to other VOC gases. The most suitable polymer for the QCM gas sensor is PTFE as it shows the highest sensitivity among the polymer. Next, for the optimum dimension, the sensing element with a thickness of 120 micrometer and a radius of 500 micrometer is chosen. To conclude, each polymer has different response toward the selected VOC gas. Thank you.